Alright, I am back in the Homegoods location. So I'm not finding a lot of new items for Christmas, but this one's new. You know, and I'm kind of glad I'm finding something new. Here is a Catherine collection, $200. At first I'm like, is this a cake stand? I don't know. Because it's like very hard on top. It's not just like...
No, it's sturdy. I think it's meant to put stuff.
It doesn't make music or anything. But this is oh no, is that broken? $200. Pretty cool, right? We have a tree here. I know we've seen this guy. We've seen him, but maybe in a different color. He is $500. I think we saw him in a green type, but not... Look at the base. Isn't that wild? I love it. And you could... Oh, hello! And you could like move his arms. They do move. I like him. Yeah, because he's in a red coat up there. You could probably see him a little better. But I love this deep maroon color. I love it. And here we go. Kind of looks like a, what are those puppets with the strings called?
A marionette.
A marionette, yeah. 130, gorgeous. Who makes this one? Gardener's Eden. Just says made in India, but this is gorgeous. The antlers, you can put the candles on. Gorgeous. Okay, we have a snowman. Okay, 2 big new items. Oh my gosh, there's one right there. Okay, this one is by Martha. So a little different, and it is $29.99. Okay, this is cool too. You know, it'd be cool if it was like a little lights, like a candle thing, but you know, that's really cool. So $29.99. I can't believe that's only $30 by Martha Stewart. Kind of shocked. Okay, they had the Jim Shore Mickey here. They didn't have him in Costco, no. And felt dinosaurs. These are really nice too, right? On the ornaments. Here's a bear one for $5. These are nice too. I love it. There's a Stitch one that looks like a 3D pen printed. I mean, it is really, really cool looking. Okay, see if we could scan anything else new. So we found like 3 new items pretty much, which is kind of cool. Oh, he's cute. Have we seen him? Down there at the bottom.
The gingerbread man?
No, the snowman. Let me pick him up.
The snowman.
I don't know.
I'm thinking of
We might have seen him at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. $50.
I haven't seen that one.
He's not 50. 15. Oh my gosh. 15. Sorry. I was like, it's $50. No big deal. He's 15. Santa getting his smooch on. I've been loving these large ornaments. Oh my gosh. Would this be wrong to gift somebody? Like, I mean, I don't know what they would do with it, but it's just so pretty. These are still here with the Santa. The snowman one. Okay, all the ornaments are getting picked through, which is good. So hopefully you find your really nice glass ornament. And I believe, ooh, these are 20. And you know, these are like my favorite Mexico collection. Set of 2 wine glasses on clearance for 10. But they're, oh gosh, can you hold it sideways for me?
And there's one right there that you can see.
Look at, can we see the color? Can you guys see that? Are we in the light? Am I covering it?
There's one right there that might be able to see better.
Not really.
Let me see.
That's cool, right? Okay, here we go. Took it out. Absolutely. These are my favorite glasses. Anything that's like handmade in Mexico, like the glassware on it, it's amazing. Oh no. Look at this right here. It's gingerbread on top. Oh man, I can't get to that price. This one has glitter on it, like shimmer. I had never seen that. $35. There's another one, like shimmery one too. I need a new one. $70. I feel like I'm going to get myself one. But I want one. I'm debating if I should get one with like this type of handle, like a large one, like, you know, or one of these pots. I mean, these are multi-use too. I feel like we could use one.
Yeah.
You know, one, oh, like even like if we're like simmering stuff. I feel like we don't have. We actually do have deep dishes, but they're like, I don't know. I just don't like scrubbing those silver ones. They're a pain in the butt.
We need new dishes.
But I like these. $29.99. You know what? I just saw somebody make charger plates that look. They look something like this. She bought napkins like in a print like this, and she bought clear charger plates at the Dollar Tree, and she mods because you don't eat off those. You know, they're like decorative. I mean, if you want to eat off it, like that one girl did in a video, I'm like, she's at home. You know what I mean? It's just for decoration. Like you have your charger plate, and then you have like your plate, and then maybe a bowl. You know what I mean? It's like a fancy, just to look nice.
One thing I could see is it keeps the food off the tablecloth. You know, because it just falls under the charger.
Look at this one. Food warmer and portable blender set. That's kind of cool. Back to school. $20 for this one. Here's a Darth Vader refrigerator. You want that by your computer?
Yeah.
Here's another one. The food warmer.
This one's 30.
30?
Mm-hmm.
So there's two different color. Yeah, color options to choose from. But back to the charger plate. So she Mod Podged the napkin on the clear charger plate. And I was like, I want to see, like on camera, I know it's going to look different than like in person with your own eyeballs. But I mean, it came out perfect. Oh, look at this one. I need a nice tray. I know. They still have that one in Costco, that big large one.
Mm-hmm.
Those are thin, but I mean, maybe if you're doing fruit. Hey, look. Everybody needs these for the holidays. $4. If you want to get festive, you can find the festive ones in here. This one's like the mushroom print and stuff like that. Oh my gosh. The other gingerbread one. This is going to be $4. What is that? Oh, aprons. Cooking apron. $5.99. Those are basic ones. Those are cute. So the holiday or Christmas ones, they are here. Anything new in kitchen towels? Cotton-headed knitting muggins. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, like my favorite part of that movie is when they're playing the snowball fight and he gets that kid from far away and then he goes down like, ooh. I don't know. Look right here, $70. That's kind of cool.
Oh yeah, when he gets him at long range.
Yeah. Then he's like, oh.
Snipes him.
Yeah. This is nice too, right here. That's $12.99. $59.99. So Martha Stewart one for $40. It's kind of soft. And these on top are $89.99. Okay, and they have this whole shelf right here dedicated to books, which I'm kind of glad they did, because normally these books are like kind of scattered here and there throughout the store, but I kind of like how they put them together. Yeah. So we have Dream Design. It's like a lot of fashion, home decor. 20 half-baked harvest. This one's gonna be a cookbook. Ooh, that looks absolutely amazing. I could go without the tofu, which I'm assuming that's tofu. $20. But yeah, everything in there looks good. Oh my gosh, just the pasta book. Get out of here. Traveling. 20,000 steps around the world. I wish. 25. I'd love to do that. We all would. living space. Okay, these are all like clothes, but I love it. Oh, Paris Flower Farm, the house party in Tuscany. Like, I love that they did this. Okay, a lot of cool stuff in here.
Books, huh?
Yeah,
The
normally
first time
there
I've ever
is.
seen any.
I mean, they have the Beatles down there.
Yeah.
I mean, there's Bob Dylan.
Yeah.
French at heart. Decluttering. Oh gosh. Chanel. Yep.
The best time to save on stunning hosting finds every single day.
25.
Start by shopping.
150.
And don't forget to dash to the celebration shop for even more festive
180. Okay, we have not seen the flamingo one. This is 120. We've seen the swan one, but the flamingo one, crazy cool. It's a little different, very extravagant. And the moose, yeah, this one is 100. I love all this stuff. They got the marble bear. All the marble boards are out. Absolutely amazing. Can I can't get through there. 130 for the 4 tiers, the blinged out in the middle. And this large one, look at this nice decanter.
Sounds like a genie bottle. Together.
And all these like wine racks. Yeah, that's for your wine. See how much this one is. Like, I don't see a price on it, but those are nice. By 34th and Pine. Very, very nice. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go have to end the video here. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, North Pole Punch. What do you add in there? Hey, the moose guy's back.